Hello class, today we will be starting our class on chapter 4 on page 292 on the topic People, Inventors and Inventions. So when we talk about inventors, it refers to the people who invented things. For example, the Wright brothers Orville and Wilbur, they invented an aeroplane. So these people, they are the inventors, and the inventions are the airplanes. Before we proceed to the next line, I want you all to get ready with a pencil, your eraser, and your scale. These colored words with these numbers are your spellings. They are to be written down in your GK notebooks, and they are to be submitted on Friday along with your exercise questions. Now let's start reading. Can you imagine life without electricity, cars, television, and computers? These and a lot of other things that we use on a daily basis have been invented by scientists. Scientists are also inventors. Some things have also been invented by ordinary people who thought differently than the others and worked very hard to make their dreams come true. Let us learn about some inventors and their inventions. So, if you also want to become an inventor or a scientist, you also have to work very hard so that your dream will come true and that one day you may invent new things. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, invented the airplane. Orville made the famous first flight. Both the brothers studied how birds flew. They used the design of wings of the bird to design the wings for their gliders and planes. Now let's start solving our exercise questions. Let us test your knowledge about some inventors and their inventions. A salesman named Whitcomb L. Judson created something called Clapp's locker in 1893. What do you think it is called today? The answer is Jeep, J-I-P, Jeep. B. Invented by American physicist Charles Richter. The Richter scale is used to measure the intensity of earthquakes. C. Leonardo da Vinci is best known for painting the Mona Lisa, but he was also an inventor. Question number D. The first hot air balloon carried a sheep, a rooster, and a duck. E. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web. True. Now let's look at question number 2. Identify these two famous inventors. Hint, they are brothers. These two. So they are the Orville Wright, Orville, Orville, Wright, Wright, Orville Wright, and Wilbur, Wilbur, Wright, Wilbur Wright. Now let's look at question number 3. Quiz time. Question number A. Who invented the blue jeans? Answer: Levi Strauss. We pronounce it as Levi Strauss. Question number B. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press. True. It was printed in 1440 at Germany. Question number C. Who discovered vaccines? The answer is Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner. Question number D. The microscope was invented by Galileo Galilei. It is false. Question number E. James Watt invented the steam engine. It was invented in 1698. So now all you have to do is write down all the correct answers in the textbook itself carefully with the correct spellings. Do recheck each and every sentences and spellings before submitting it on Friday. You are also to note down the 8 spellings and write them down in an A4 paper and submit it to me. Both the spellings and the textbook exercise questions and answers.